Hello all, this is Vignesh here, welcoming you all to my channel Educators Inc. The topic for today's discussion is discovery of electrons. Now for that we will consider the cathode ray experiment. Now consider this apparatus. This is the discharge tube made of glass or glass tube containing two electrodes, a cathode and anode. This glass tube is connected to a vacuum pump to maintain the pressure of the gas inside the glass tube. The terminals are connected to a battery. Now suppose, and this discharge tube contains a gas, a certain gas. So whenever we apply a high voltage across the two terminals, the particles are emitted from the cathode terminal, which moves towards anode and strikes the anode. Now these particles are generally invisible. So for that we will make a hole inside anode and coat a fluorescent material behind the anode. So whenever the particles travel from cathode to anode, pass through the hole and strike the fluorescent material glows. So now what results came from this experiment? So first result is the particles travel from cathode to anode. Second one, these particles are generally, or the ray is generally invisible. So we coat a fluorescent material behind anode which glows when it passes through the hole and strikes the fluorescent material. This is what happens in a television set when the picture strikes the fluorescent material on the screen. It appears on the screen basically. So next, the rays traveling from cathode to anode is known as cathode rays. They under or without any influence of electrical or magnetic field around the glass tube, they travel in a straight line. Whenever we apply an electric or magnetic field around the glass tube, the cathode rays will move towards the positive side. So this indicates that the particles emitted from the cathode terminal are negatively charged and therefore they are known as electrons. So basically this does not depend, or the cathode rays do not depend on the material of the cathode or anode or the type of gas inside the glass tube. Please like, share my video and subscribe to my channel by clicking on bell icon. The next topic we will see about charge to mass ratio. Thank you.